How to create animated progress bar for your Excel VBA project. What if your Excel VBA application could open just like a real software? Imagine your users see a beautiful loading screen, a branded splash screen, animated progress indicators, and professional startup message instead of staring at a blank workbook whilst your system loads. In this video, I will show you how to build a fully animated progress bar in Excel VBA that counts from 0% to 100%, displays loading messages, and gives your project the look and feel of commercial software. If you are building solutions for schools, churches, businesses, payroll systems, or inventory management, this simple feature can instantly make your application look more professional and increase its perceived value. Go to the comment section to download the file. What we'll be building today. By the end of this tutorial, you have animated loading screen, progress bar that grows smoothly from 0% to 100%, dynamic loading messages, professional software startup experience, and a splash screen suitable for commercial Excel applications. This is the same technique we use when building professional solutions at Rafina Systems. Why use a progress bar in your projects? One common mistake Excel VBA developers make is allowing users to wait without feedback when a workbook is loading. Database may be opening, users' permission may be loading, reports may be initializing, and security checks may be running. Without a progress bar, users often think their application has frozen. A progress bar reassures users that the application is working. More importantly, it makes your Excel project feel like a real software product. Let's begin. Open a blank new Excel workbook. Click on the Developer tab and also click on Visual Basics. This will take you to the development environment. Now, insert a new user form. Give it the name FRM Progress or whatever name you choose. This form will serve as our loading screen. Now let's add a frame control. Let's give it the name FRA Progress. And remove the caption. This will act as a container for our progress bar. Inside the frame, let's add a new label and call it LBL Progress. This label will grow from left to right to stimulate the loading progress. Remove the caption and set the weight to 0. Next, let's add another label. And rename it LBL%. Let's set the caption to 0%. You can also increase the font size, so let me increase the font size to maybe 10. Finally, let's add another label. And give it the name LBL Status. This will display the loading messages. Before we go ahead to animate anything, we need to add a smooth timing mechanism to our project. Many developers place this code inside the user form and often receives an error message. The API declaration must be placed inside a standalone module. So let's insert a new module and paste this API. This allows us to pause code execution briefly without freezing Excel. Now let's initialize the progress bar by writing the following codes. We'll write our code in the user form initialize event. So let's click on user form and then click here to user form initialize event. Let's write LBL progress dot back color equal to 0175, comma 8. You can choose any color that matches your branding. For Raffina systems, I usually used professional shades of green, blue or gold. Now let's create the animation, and that is the exciting part. Still in the user form, let's go to the user form activate event and write the following code. Dim I as long. LBL progress dot width will be equal to 0. For I is equal to 1 to 100. Then LBL progress dot width should be equal to FRA progress dot width times I divided by 100. Then LBL percent dot caption should be equal to I and comma percentage. The select case determines the time interval to display each message. So for case 1, let me select 10 seconds. Here, LBL status dot caption will display the message initializing database. And also in the 30 seconds interval, I will display this message, LBL status. Dot caption should display loading modules. So case 3 should occur at 50. Dot caption should be equal to checking CQ. Next case should occur at 70, so we will write LBL dot should now display case 90. LBL dot equal to finalizing and the final case is at 100. That would be LBL status dot caption equal to next I. Unload me and move on to the next stage. We can decide to go to the dashboard or show the login form, but we don't have a dashboard or a login form yet, so let's test it. Before then, let me save it. Now let's test it by running the form. So we go to run. Notice how the progress bar grows smoothly while displaying status messages. This is exactly the type of startup experience users expect from modern software. In the next video, we'll make this look more professional by adding our company logo, product name, version number, copyright notice, application slogan, and many more. Small details like this makes a huge difference in your application. And this feature works perfectly for school management systems, church management systems, inventory systems, hospital systems, attendance systems, essentially any Excel application that loads data during startup. At Raffina Systems, we just don't build spreadsheets. We build complete business solutions using technologies such as Excel VBA, SQL database, C#, ASP.NET, automation tools, and our solutions include school management systems, church management systems, payroll software, inventory systems, point of sale solutions, staff attendance systems, business reporting dashboards. And the goal is always the same: to help organizations automate repetitive work and improve efficiency. If you're a freelancer or a consultant, features like these increase perceived value of your work. A client is more likely to pay premium rates when your applications look and feel like professional software. The difference between a spreadsheet and a software product is often the user experience. Congratulations! You now have a fully animated Excel VBA Progress Bar, complete with animated loading indicator, percentage display, dynamic status message, professional status screen, software-like user experience. This is another important step towards transforming Excel into a professional application platform. If you are looking for help with custom Excel automation, school database setup, church management systems, POS system development, staff attendance systems, CCTV consultation, one-on-one IT training, Excel VBA mentoring, feel free to contact me. My WhatsApp contact information is available in the video description. In the next video, we are taking things even further. We will make Excel look even less like Excel and more like a commercial software application. You don't want to miss this. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Raffina Systems, helping you transform Excel into powerful business software. See you in the next tutorial.